Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all. Today I am with another new samples case study question from your probability. You know, in the new pattern it will be asked 5 marks question, and when it is from probability, certainly it will be from your Bayes theorem. So read the questions very carefully. Given 3 identical boxes 1, 2 and 3, each containing 2 coins. The box 1, both coins are gold coins. In box 2 there are 2 silver coins. In box 3 there is 1 gold and 1 silver coins. A person chooses a box at random and takes out a coin. So on the basis of above information, answer the following questions. There are 5 parts. The first part is the probability of choosing one box is 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Part 2, the probability of getting gold coin from box 3 is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 and 0. Part 3, the probability of choosing box 3 and getting gold coin from the box 3 is 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Fourth part, the probability of getting a gold coin is 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Fifth part is the drawn coin is of gold, then the probability that other coin in the box is also of gold is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1 by 2. So if needed, you can pause the video, you can read the question again till you understand. So I am going from part 1. One by one we will cover. So this is part 1. What is, there are 3 boxes and he is choosing one of the box. So what is the probability? Certainly it will be, each box will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, because this is box 1, 2 and 3. So each has the probability 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So we will not write this for particular answering this question, but we need for the other part also, because E1 I am taking the choosing of box 1, E2 is the event, we choose the box 3, and E3 is the event, we choose the box your 3. So each has the probability your 1 by 3. So first part is over. The 1 by 3 is the answer. C is the answer. Now next is going for your gold coin. Gold coin is the event is taking place, which is condition here. So A is the event, you're choosing gold coin. So gold coin from your box 1 is equal to, certainly it will be 2 by 2. Why? Box 1 has both coins are gold. So it will be 2 by 2. Here 2 gold coins are there. Here no gold coins, 0 gold. And here your 1 gold, 1 silver. Here both are silver, 2 silver. So similarly, probability of gold from second one, E2, how much? Certainly it will be 0, 0 by 0. And probability of gold from third one is equal to how much? 1 by your 1 by 2, because there is 1 gold, 1 silver. So why I am writing all this? Because we need this other part of the questions. So one part is correct, we got 1 mark. Then I'll go for question number part 2. What is 2? Part 2 is the probability of getting gold coin from box 3. What is the probability of getting gold coin from box 3? I've already written here. So gold coin from box 3 is equal to your 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Because in third box there are 1 gold and 1 silver. So probability of 1 gold is equal to your 1 by 2. Next, coming to third part, the probability of choosing box 3 and getting gold coin from box 3. What does it mean? It means this first event is getting your box 3, and second one is your probability of gold from your box 3. So they are independent event. So we are multiplying this E3 into probability of A by E3. What is probability of E3? E3 is equal to 1 by 3. And what is the probability of A when given E3? So this will be 1 by 2. That will be 1 by 6. So what is the answer? A is the answer. Next, fourth part. Fourth part is the probability of getting a gold coin. So this is the total event. That means gold coin from your first, gold coin from your second, gold coin from your third. So gold coin from your first is equal to your A by E1 multiplies P E1. First box and gold from first box. Or this will be probability of second box multiplies gold from second box. Or it may be from third, probability of third box and gold from third box, which we say your total probability. How much it will be? E1 is 1 by 3, A by E1 is 1, plus P1 by 2 is 1 by 3, A by 1 2 is 0, again 1 by 3 multiplies, this is 1 by 2. You have to multiply all the things. So how much will be the answer? You can take 1 by 3 common. So what you are getting? 1 plus 0 plus half. 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So 1 by 3 multiplies your 3 by 2. You are getting 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer of fourth part. Getting a gold coin. So this expression is the total probability for Bayes theorem. It is the your sample space we should keep in mind. Okay. It will be needed for fifth part. What is fifth part? Fifth part is if drawn coin is gold, then what is the probability that other coin of the box is also gold? That means the question is asked, what is the, if it is gold, what is the probability that it is from your first box? Why first box? Both coins are gold. So the question is, what is the probability of E1 when given gold has been chosen? So how to write? This is same as your probability of A given E1 into E1 whole upon the sample space we wrote in the last part. If you have calculated, you can write down. You can remember this is half, or once I'm showing, because this is the concept. A by E2 whole into PE2 plus P A by E3 into PE3. So A by E1 will be how much? A by E1 is equal to 1 multiplies PE1 is equal to 1 by 3 upon 1 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 0 plus 1 by 3 into 2. So we had already calculated, it was your 1 by 2. So So this will be 1 by 3 upon 1 by 2. That will be 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the last part answer. So you could do all the questions. We got 5 marks. Then you can practice some more questions. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel so that you can learn more and more. Thank you.